I-turn over ng tanggapan ni BTA Deputy Speaker Attorney Omar Yasser Sema ang 1 million pesos medical assistance sa Cotabato Regional and Medical Center. Bahagi ito ng Medical Outreach Program o MOP ng mambabatas. Ang tseke ay formal na i-turn over ni MP Sema ngayong hapon, July 1, 2025 kay Dr. Ismael Dimaren, ang Chief of Hospital ng CRMC.
This has been our program in the last 4 years or 5 years when we assumed office in the Bangsamoro Transition Authority, and thousands na ho ang natulungan natin dito sa programang ito. Hindi lang ho ako. We have the similar amount of funds, 3.5 million right now, together with the other members of the BTA. Pare-parehas kami. Kaya lang, everyone is exercising their discretion kung saan ihuhulog yung pondong nakalaan. No? As in my case, I always put substantial funds sa CRMC. And of course, meron din tayong medicine assistance fund sa Mercury Drug, no? In the amount of 1 million, and then another 500,000 would be allocated for the Cotabato Sanitarium and General Hospital in Sultan Kudarat. Well, of course, constituents sa BARM, the nearby provinces within the jurisdiction of CRMC, no? Of course, this hospital is catering to patients coming from Region 12 also, no? Hindi lang ho BARM, no? Nakaka-serve lang siya ng taga-BARM dahil nasa Cotabato City siya, and Cotabato City is part of the autonomous region. So merong mga patients not from BARM that are being entertained by this hospital, no? But nonetheless, priority ng hospital, yung fund namin is BARM constituency, yung mga indigent BARM constituents. Kung may humihinging tulong galing Region 12, pumupunta sa office natin, we also extend, pero hindi ho ganon kalaki sa binibigay natin from BARM constituents.